Natural Samoa water, the taste of nature.
Unwind your busy day with a cup of royalty. Royalty, complete satisfaction with every sip.
Faita waso tusi e feso lo na mata upo fa fe po mo mua se fa ngata mai lilimo. Bible reading for today, according to the IPRA lectionaries, the letter of Paul to the Ephesians, chapter 4, reading from verses 1 to 5 from the Samoan translation. Fa fonga maya wa fionga pa ia lo tātou li. O le nei, o au le o no tia o no le li o te ai o yatu ya te utou i utou sa vavali e tusa male vala au o vala wina i utou i utou loto maulalo maanga malu maono sai i utou fa pale le tasi le alofa i tau mawhai e utou na tāwhi o le loto ngatasi la le nganga i le noatanga o le file mu e tasi le tino e tasi fo i le nganga fa peo na vala wina utou le fa moe moe e tasi o vala wina i utou e tasi le ali e tasi le whaatuatuanga, e tasi le baptisonga. Whamanuia mai le atua e ala tātou whaitau ma whaalongolongo ia nā fionga pa ia. Tū mau ia te ia le vi inga e o i le whaavavau lava. Amen. Nei ma whauwhaunga whaaleanganga i le suafa o le tamā le alo ma le nganga sā. Amen. Pi whaungaina le whai upo e whae whai mamatua. Whaafonga o te whaitauina. E tasi le tino, e tasi fo i le anganga. Whaapea o na wala wina o utou le wha moe moe tasi. O wala wina i tātou. Mana tō utua le nei aso e peo na ili whasinonga le tusi whaita waso. E mana o mia lo tātou mafuta wha tasi. Unity is required of us. Tusi atua Paulo i le Kalesia i Efeso. O lo wha mamafa i le loto ngatasi. Ma toi fuata ina le amio peo na ilim ta upo e whaasa whaita wina. Le wha mamafa i le apostolo le no nofo wha atasi le loto e tasi a ke riso. Ai ma whai ona nofo wha atasi a ke riso pe a whai e maua i le loto maulano. E talia i tangata onu ese oe o tali tonu ma wha atua tua i a Yesu ke riso. O le mafuta wha atasi o se anga po ni amionga tausili e mana o mia i so se wha potopotonga. E atangia ai le ngā lulu e whaatasi o le whi oe ai, o le whi lango mai, ma le alofa o le tasi le isi. O le whi aua Paulo e mamoli atu mo le Ekalesia i Efeso, ia toto i o lātou loto maanganga, o Yesu ke riso o le au le Ekalesia. Le Ekalesia o e o talitonu ma whaatuotua ia te ia. Le Ekalesia mana o mia le ngā lulu e whaatasi. E mana o mia le tutu whaatasi ia tasi o lātou loto. Tusa po le iutaia, po le tangata o nu ese. Pe tau o loa, pe le tau o loa, pe mativa, pe mauoa. Ia maua i le rofa, pe ona mua i alofa ai Yesu ke riso. O le au le Ekalesia. E mawhai ona tupu. Pe a whai e maua i le loto maulano. Au le loto maulano i wha ite le alofa wha le atua. Le alofa e maua i le loto wha maangalo, le ono sai. Ma le alofa e wha anofo le lei ai se mafutanga. Le alofa e afua i ona mafuta wha atasi le wha anau o le atua. Pe ona i le matua o le nei aso. E tasi le tino, e tasi fo i le anganga. Wha pei ona wala wina utou le wha moe moe tasi. Ua wala wina ai tātou. Ioe. Wala ona mafuta wha atasi. Ona ua tino uma e tasi la le anganga pa ia. The theme for today, according to the IPRA lectionaries, unity is required for us all. Paul emphasizes making every effort to keep unity in the bond of peace, grounded in the reality of one body, one spirit, one Lord, one hope, one faith, and one baptism. Unity does not mean that we are all the same, or we all do the same thing. Being united means despite the differences, we are able to work as one. We can become one through humility, gentleness, and love. Just like how the biogas system works, which requires all distinct parts of the function as one body. In unity, we can contribute to achieve one of the goals for Samoa, to be 100% renewable energy, hence reduces several impacts on our economy and the environment itself. Tal whiaunga fo le manatu o tuole, tus faitau nei aso man fa moe moe taua. Mana o mia lo tātou mafuta whaatasi. Mana o mia lo tātou ngā lulue whaatasi. E mana o mia lo tātou loto ina ia tasi. A wā tātou whewaiwai ai ma whemate ai. O le a lele leo na tausia nei a seta. Ma au sia tau nuunga mo o mia e peo na whai mea lofa ai le mālo Israel. E mana o mia na mafuta whaatasi. E ati ia e me totia ma whaasoa to mai whaapitoa. Ia i lātou o le a whaamanueina i nei mea lofa. A tasi le tino tasi le nganga peo na whai mei paulo i kalesia i Efeso. E le fisilingia le tūlanga mawa e le ai ai le whaonga ino nei a seta. Fōlinga wa ai o le mafuta whaatasi. Le ata manino leo le tātou so o tanga vāwana lata. Manai e tunu o lo mau mai le fisosoani mo i tātou. A wāti nae al tātou atunu o Samoa. Laupu moni e le whaingo fie le olau foina i le ngaluenga le atua. E iei teimi o tātou whaavaivai ai le whaatinoina o tātou tiute. A o leo ngani le apostolo. E mana o mia tātou le loto ngatasi ma le mafuta whaatasi. O na whaingo fie leo le whaatino a tātou tiute ma whiau. Ono Yesu. Amen. Tātou whai ule tātou. Mātou tatalo i lau fio i le wha moe moe o le nei aso. Wha mamalu maia o awanga le lei. Wha pa ia ina fo i nei mea lofa tā ua o nei a seta. Ua whai mea lofa mai ai le mālo Israelu ai mese. Le atina ina si o mātou atunu o Samoa. Tu maulo wanga le lei. Tu maulo wha maoni lo mātou atua. Nei a whai lea ma vi inga sidi o lau fio e wha avau. A le manuia ma le fi le mua o lau fio lo mātou tamā. Le alofa silsili ese o Yesu Keriso lo mātou li i man whaola. Le maftanga le mawai, ma lau fio nganga pa iai. Ia tū mau mai le lungo i mātou nei. Ma lungo o lau whanau whatua tua i le laulangi atoa. Nei se ia o i le whaavavau lava. Amen.
Whaktai lau sunga i whawhiangainga mo tātou tausanga mōlia. Ai masai le upu whamarusi au man whaala ei au. O tō matau ina i fo il whamoe moe le nei aso. Thank you, Reverend Falefu, for your spiritual guidance and encouraging words on this very important occasion. And as a small token of our appreciation, please accept the traditional gesture of our gratitude. Now, moving forward with our program, I now have the honor to invite the Honorable Minister for the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, Lawa Fionga Ale Vina Ale, to deliver his key statement.
Lo songa le te tai le sauninga, songa pale futu mutalia le whakasai toa mua. Lo fionga i le ampasa Israelu, i Samoa nei, Your Excellency along, Rolf and your good lady and your delegation. Le ko ia mal mamalu o whaafutunga ma whaala putonga o le tātou malo. Ko ia mal mawalunga o nei a whia o tātou whatasi mai nei tuaso. O wale mo le mawina o nei sauninga tāua. O lea ua motu i langi le tātou whasangi le tātou tapau le langi. wale tua malona alofa malonga ngalilei. O mawhai on taitaina mai soi fu manuia o i tātou umal nei tai au li malua. O wale nei sauninga tā ua. O le tua lava ia o le to manga me umalava. E ona iei nei tu aso. O le whamoe moe le so o tātou tau au fia mai e moli mawina le tau auina mai o le soswani a le malo Israelu mo HomeBiogas system e se fulu ma le 5 i le malo Samoa e tau wala mai i lumtanga ruenga o puna oa whannatua ma le sisio manga. O nei soswani o le a whamtu ina atu lea i nuu ma fioanga i le au whaifatoanga mo atinae whaongai nai o tau manu ma la au ina ia maua ai le kesi o le e mawhai ai o na kukaina me aita mafa. E tātou te whaftai ai le malo Israelu e tu sai ma le soswani tele a wale atina eina o le tātou malo. O le whenginga whawa malo i le tātou malo ma le malo Israelu i ana o sia le i le tausanga afi se lau fitu sumal fitu. Ma o leo le a ato nei le 5 skul tausanga talu o na tātou whaipaanga ma whainga whaawou ma le malo Israelu. E moli atu e le nganga whaaftai o le tātou malo i la wafionga i la mpasa e tu sai ma le nei sosoan tele. Leader of our service this afternoon, Reverend Falefu Tumtalie, Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Israel to Samoa, Your Excellency Alon Roth, and your good lady and your delegation, heads of government departments and organizations, ladies and gentlemen. Talofa lava and warm greetings to you all. It is with great pleasure that I stand before you today on behalf of the Samoan government to officially receive 15 home biogas systems generously donated by the government of Israel in support to our national efforts to bring clean and innovative energy solutions to our people. Samoa, like all other island development states, faces unique challenges in addressing climate change. Gas technology represents an important addition to our current efforts by converting organic waste into clean, renewable gas. These systems not only provide sustainable source of energy for households, but also improve waste management, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and enhance livelihoods into our rural communities. This directly supports Samoa's third national determined contributions and reinforces our commitment to achieving our national target of 70% renewable energy use by the year 2031. Today's handover symbolizes partnership, innovation, and progress and reflects what can be achieved when countries work together in solidarity and address global challenges through practical, locally driven solutions. We once again thank you for the government of Israel, and God bless you all. Whaftai.
Tele lau whiunga le minisa mula whalsanga matamofie, a wale tatopa moe le nea fiafi. Thank you, Honourable Minister, for your remarks. The Ministry is grateful for your continued leadership, support and guidance in ensuring that we successfully deliver initiatives that benefit the people of Samoa. As outlined in our program, it is now my pleasure to invite His Excellency Alon Roth, Ambassador of Israel to Samoa, to deliver his special remarks. His Excellency.
Thank you very much. Dear Minister, dear Secretary General of MFAT, dear colleagues, dear friends, Usually ambassadors are very proud and happy when they are able to participate in such occasions. But I want to share with you and confess to you that I'm proud twice today, because this is my first day as the official Israeli ambassador to Samoa. And for me, it's double happiness, both to be recognized as the ambassador, secondly, to be able to open my first day here by this special donation that will be given to Samoa through the Honorable Minister very soon. I think that these 15 units of biogas are going to do many things. One is the list that the Honorable Minister just mentioned concerning the environment, concerning more clean world, concerning the use of technology and innovation in order to make our life healthier, nicer, easier. But for me, it shows one more thing. There is a direct line between this cooperation between Israel and Samoa and the decision taken by the Prime Minister, the Samoan Prime Minister, lately to open an embassy in Israel, in Jerusalem, this year. I think that these two shows the path forward of our connections, that friendship is not just words. Friendship is not just promises. Friendship is cooperation. And this is just one part of the cooperation that we plan, and we are sure, we don't just hope, we are sure that we will be able to conduct between our two countries. Israeli innovation has created these biogas units, and it created many more educational, environmental, health, and other achievements in innovation. And we would like to be able to cooperate in Samoa by bringing it here, in cooperating with your youth, with your governmental ministries, and in bringing more and more of our technology to your beautiful country. So as I said, I'm not just proud, I'm very happy that this happens on the first day. And I'm very proud to say that there is the government of Samoa, the government of Israel, and the private sector that is represented here that are cooperating for this thing to happen. And I would bless us all by saying that I hope that more of these things will be happening in the future, and more such occasions in which we will bless ourselves and be happy that things are happening. So thank you very much for conducting this ceremony. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming here. And I think that without any hesitation, I would give it back to the Master of Ceremony in order to go to the real thing of this afternoon, which is the handover of the biogas systems to Samoa. Blessing on us all. Thank you and shalom.
Thank you, Your Excellency, for your special remarks. We look forward to strengthening our collaboration on future environmental initiatives. We now come to the most significant part of our program, which is the official handover of our 15 biogas systems. To symbolize this partnership and the delivery of these systems to Samoa, I invite the Honorable Minister of Natural Resources and Environment and His Excellency, the Ambassador, to share a formal handshake to mark this occasion. May I ask the photographers, please, to
There's 15 of them, not one.
This handshake formally seals the handover of this project, and I now invite all our guests to join the Minister and His Excellency the Ambassador for a group photo to commemorate this milestone. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this now concludes our official program for this afternoon. I thank you all for your support and for your presence this afternoon. And before you depart, the ministry has provided some refreshing meal for everyone to enjoy. Thank you once again, and may you have a safe journey.